Good morning, everyone. So I'd like to congratulate everyone for reaching your last step bago kayo mag-start na magturo kay Native Camp. So I'm sure na naka-receive ka na ng email na Native Camp is congratulating you for becoming one of their teachers. Kaya nandito ka sa video na to. And upon checking, nung nag-login ka na sa account mo, biglang ganito na yung nakita mo. It's confusing kasi kaka-receive mo lang ng email na congratulations kasi teacher ka na. Tapos pag-check mo biglang your tutor account has been deactivated. Agad-agad, 'di ba? Ang isang reason lang po kung bakit naka-deactivate pa ang account mo ay dahil you need to submit your Sapuri recording audio. Okay? So, bago ka makapag-start totally or officially na magturo kay Native Camp, kailangan isubmit mo muna yung Sapori audio mo. After that, you'll wait for about 2 days and then dun pa lang i-activate totally ni Native Camp yung account mo. So, papaano mo ba gagawin yung Sapori recording audio na yon? Okay, so I created this video tutorial for you guys to help all of you kung paano nyo ba gagawin yung Sapuri. Kasi a lot of you are very confused kung paano daw to gawin. Okay? So, kapag nag-login ka na sa account mo, syempre magpa-pop up yung maraming pop-up windows na tinanggal ko kanina. So, of course, ang kailangan mo munang gawin is to close all of them. Okay? After that, pupunta ka muna dito sa inquiry. Okay? So, from here, nakikita mo yung message ng Native Camp sa'yo. And of course, you have to open it. And yan. Actually, yung inquiry na to, makikita mo rin siya sa email. I-email din nila ito sa iyo. Kasabay yung congratulations email na na-receive mo. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo lang, i-click mo to para magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano mo ba ituturo yung Sapuri. Okay? After nun, pag napanood mo na to, i-click mo na to. Okay? Kasi yung link na yan, dito mo makikita kung paano mo i-record yung Sapuri mo. Okay? So, nakalagay dito na make a recording of the instructor's script. Ibig sabihin, yung red text lang. Okay? So, nakalagay din dito na what you are going to record is the abridged version. So, shorter lang siya. Okay? And yung reading time mo, maglalast lang siya for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay? And nakalagay din dito na sa page 7 and 8, dun sa role play section, kailangan daw isama mo lahat ng dialogue mo dun sa role play. Okay? Wala kang i-skip na kahit na isa. Okay? And, of course, isasama din natin yung free conversation. Okay? Dito sa recording nyo, ang ire-record nyo ay ito. Ang gagamitin yung textbook ay yung Weekly Business English, Weekly Level 1-1, Week 3. Okay? And then, paano mo makikita yung material or yung script mo? I-click mo lang po ito, yung here na to, and then may lalabas dyan, i-click mo lang din. Okay? Pag na-receive mo yan, ayan, click mo lang yung continue. And then, balik ka dito. Kuhanin mo tong ID and password. Okay, copy mo lang. Lagay mo lang dito sa username. Tapos yung password niya is the same. And then, sign in. Pagka-sign in mo, ayan. Makikita mo na yung script na babasahin mo. Okay? And then, after that, ito din, other links na you will need to use, pwede mo tong gamitin. Like here, recording site. Yan, pwede ka dito mag-record. Pero, for me, personally, I advise na mag-ano na lang kayo. Yung Vocaroo. Mas okay siya for me. Okay? So, pwede kang pumunta sa vocaroo.com. Yan. Mas maano siyang gamitin, mas madali. Okay? So, tapos nun, after that, ayan. Bali, pag magre-record ka na, i-click mo lang to. And then, it will start recording. Okay? All done. Ayan. So, let me show you kung paano nyo gagawin yung sa Sapuri nyo. Okay? Ilipat ko lang to sa kabilang screen para, wait lang, iganto ko na lang pala siya. Para makita nyo. Iliitan ko na lang siya. Tapos, etong script, medyo lalakihan ko. Lakayan ko tong konti. Para makita nyo. Okay, so ganito lang siya. Ang sabi doon, ang i-record nyo lang is yung red text. Okay? So, let's start. Dito kayo mag-start kasi eto lang naman yung script nyo. Okay, so bago kayo mag-start, syempre, i-record nyo muna yung voice nyo. Huwag nyo kalimutan kasi baka mamaya, nasa gitna na kayo ng script tapos saka nyo lang maaalala na meron pala kayong kailangang pindutin. Okay? So, yan, pindutin muna natin. Allow while visiting the site. Or allow this time. Kahit alin dito sa dalawa na to. Okay? Then nakikita nyo nagre-record na siya. Right? So, mag-start ka na ngayon. So, hi! Welcome to Native Camp. Can you hear me? Can you see me? I'm your teacher today. My name is Madel. What's your name? Let's start the lesson. You chose weekly level 1-1, week 3. Is that correct? Today, we will practice 5 pickup key phrases. I will give you feedback in the lesson or at the end. I will use the chat box in the lesson. By the way, am I speaking too fast? Shall I speak more slowly? Is this speed okay? There are some Otosuke phrases in the box if you need help. Okay, next page, substitution. All right, the first activity is substitution. Can you see the pickup key phrase? Let's read the example. I'm going to a technology conference in Silicon Valley. Good job. Okay, let's start the exercise. Number 1, a business conference, Boston. Okay, next, a party, Shinjuku. Great. So I will type the sample answer in the chat box. Please repeat after me. Now, let's go on to the next one. Now, this is the second key phrase. Let's read the example. Are you traveling for business with a friend? Good job. Okay, let's start the exercise. Number 1. My name is Alexander Forsyth. Number 2. My phone number is 555-7531. Great. I will type the sample answer in the chat box. Please repeat after me. Okay, next page. Now, this is the third key phrase. Where is a? Let's read the example. Where is the baggage claim? All right, let's start the exercise. Number 1, the copy paper. Number 2, the restroom. Great. I will type the sample answer in the chat box. Please repeat after me. Okay, next. Now, let's do a role play. Please read the situation aloud. Is that okay? Let's try it. I will start. So why are you visiting California? That's great. Oh, there's a fantastic Mexican restaurant near the convention center. You should try it. It's near the corner of the First Street and Fernando. It's called Buen Amigos. I'll write it down for you. Do you have a piece of paper? That's okay. May I write it on your newspaper? Great. Now, I will type some words in the chat box for us to practice. Please repeat after me. Okay, go on to the next page. Let's do role play number 2. Please fill in the blanks. I will start. So why are you visiting California? That's great. Oh, there's a fantastic Mexican restaurant near the convention center. You should try it. It's near the corner of First Street and San Fernando. It's called Buen Amigos. I'll write it down for you. Do you have a piece of paper? That's okay. May I write it on your newspaper? Great. I will type some words in the chat box for us to practice. Please repeat after me. Okay, the next page. Now, apply general. Let's use each of the key phrases. Please read situation 1 aloud. Great. Now, I will say something. Please reply with a key phrase. Okay, let's try it. Please take the elevator to the 7th floor. Great, that's the best choice. Let's check the sample answer. Please look in the chat box. Okay, next. Now, we have apply personal. Let's practice the key phrases in your daily life or work. Please look at the first key phrase. Now, can you make an example sentence? Okay, so now let's talk about the situation for your example with me. And I'll ask you a few questions so we can have a short conversation about each situation. Okay, let's try the first key phrase. Please make a sentence using this phrase. I will type your answer into the chat box. Please tell me about that situation. Okay, I understand your situation. So, good job. Now, please make a sentence with the next key phrase. By the way, am I speaking too fast? Okay, good. Please keep using the key phrases in your daily life. Do you have any final questions? Okay, next, feedback. We practiced 5 key phrases today. You did a very good job. So I will choose one key phrase and one skill to improve. Just a moment, I will type them in the chat box. Here's my advice. Based on your performance, you can improve your pronunciation for this key phrase. Where is You can apply this when you practice in the app. Please keep studying and enjoy using English. We have a little time left today. Would you like to do activity 1 or 2? Okay, what is your question? Sure. There are 3 topics in the box. Which one would you like to talk about? Okay, please read the situation. It's in the box at the bottom of this page. Now, I'll ask you some questions to start the conversation. Okay, that's all for today. You did great, and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye. Okay, so that's it. And then after that, i-stop mo na yung recording mo. Okay? Close your script. Go back here. And then download it. Okay? So, i-click mo lang yon. And then if you want to download it, just click this one. Okay? And then makikita mo, lalabas tong pop-up window na to. I-click mo lang tong downloads para dito siya mapunta pagka-save mo. Okay? Save mo lang muna sa computer mo. Pagka-save, close mo na to. Balik ka na ulit dito. Okay? And then after that, nakalagay din dito na kapag isa-save mo na, isa-save mo siya sa Google Drive. Okay? So, pupunta ka ng Google Drive. Yan, drive.google.com. Tapos, isa-sign in mo lang yung Gmail mo. Okay? So, for me, one moment. Let me go to my G Drive. One second. Okay, so here. Now, I'll just close it. Okay. Tapos, from here, you can, kahit saan dito, anywhere from here, right-click ka lang, and then file upload. Okay? Hanapin mo yung i-upload mong file, which is this one. And then open. And then wait mo lang na ma-upload to sa drive mo. Okay? After that, ayan, makikita mo na siya. Okay? And then, nakalagay din dito sa instructions na pag nag-save ka na, yung teacher nickname mo and then yung NCID mo. Okay? So, ngayon, yung NCID mo, makikita mo siya nung nag-demo ka. Okay? Makikita mo siya nung nag-demo ka dun sa malapit sa picture mo. Makikita mo yung NCID. Mostly, 6 na numbers yon or 7. Ganon siya. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin mo lang, yan, pupunta ka sa file. Tapos, right-click mo lang and then rename. Okay? Pagka-rename, syempre yung pangalan mo, let's say, Madel. Tapos, lagyan ko ng underscore. And then, kunyari, ayan, ganyan. Ayan, for example lang. And then, click ko lang okay. Ayan, na-rename ko na siya. After ng pag-rename, dito na siya. Yan. Ipapasa na natin. Isasubmit na natin yung ginawa nating recording ng Sapuri natin. Okay? Siyempre, kukuhanin natin yung link para ma-share natin yun sa kanila or ma-submit natin yun. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yun? Ganito lang po. Yan. Punta ka lang dito, right-click mo ulit. Punta ka dito sa share, tapos share ulit. Huwag ka mag-shortcut dito sa copy link. Okay? Share ulit. Tapos lalabas tong pop-up window na to. And then, itong restricted, iibahin mo siya ng anyone with the link. Kasi pag hindi mo siya iniba, hindi siya ma-view nung admin na mag-check. Okay? Hindi siya ma-approve. And then from here, dito mo pa lang ika-copy link. Okay? And then done. After that, punta ka ng notepad mo. I-paste mo muna yung link. Dapat yung end link ay merong sharing. Okay? Tapos, after that, close muna natin. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, cancel. Yan. Pupunta tayo dito. And then, isasubmit mo na siya. Okay? May quiz dyan. Dapat sagutan mo lahat. And then, after nun, pag nakapasa ka na sa quiz, dun mo palang makukuha yung form kung saan mo isasubmit yung link mo. I-fill out mo lang yun. And then, after that, wait for an approval. And then, pag na-approve na yung sapuri mo, congratulations, dun ka palang pwedeng mag-start. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope nakatulong po ito sa inyo, lalo na dun sa mga nalilito. So, thank you so much for watching and keep on subscribing para ma-update kayo dun sa mga future tips and videos na i-upload ko. Thank you so much!